Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This plant is 35 into 31 feet. Front is 35 feet and length is 31 feet. So we'll go to see the details. How is this details? So we'll go. This center is double doors, 10 feet 6 inch. 10 feet 6 inch. Then enter the dining hall. Dining hall is your 12 feet 6 inch, and two side, right and left, one guest room. There is 11 feet 1 inch into 9 feet 8 inch. The second guest room 11 feet 7 inch into 9 feet 8 inch. Then you go to dining hall. Right hand is a stair. Stair is 7 feet 1 inch with length area. Then under the stair have one door for the common toilet, 5 foot 6 inch into 4 feet 2 inch. Then you come here, left hand, one bedroom is attached toilet. This bedroom is 11 feet 1 inch and 11 feet 6 inch. That bedroom and attached toilet is 8 feet 4 inch and into 6 feet 4 inch. There is together nearby the kitchen. Biggest kitchen is 11 feet 10 inch into 8 feet 4 inch. The next bedroom, number 4th bedroom, is 12 feet 4 inch into 10 feet 2 inch. Attached toilet, the size is 4 feet 2 inch into 6 feet 2 inch. That is the all full details. So we will go to the 3D. You can see it in the 3D how the look plan, how it, you can understand that this in the 3D. This is plan is I show you the 3D. You can see this dining area is have dining set and sofa. See in the 3D, then you understand. So how the look is plan. This is the that plan is in the 3D. We can see this in the 3D how this plan looking. That is the dining hall. Right hand is a stair and front is the backside looking the kitchen, biggest kitchen, the one bedroom attached toilet, under stair the common toilet, front side guest room, and here guest room, one attached toilet and bedroom. That is the 3D. You can see this plan. I show you full round. Everywhere 4 side is the ventilation, all available. So I hope you understand good. You can again watch the video and subscribe my channel and like this video. So I will end this video. Okay, thank you for watching.